I ordered a car 2 months ago. I told this guy, I said, hey, I want this car. I called him yesterday. I said, dude, when's my car coming in? He's like, I don't know yet. I said, dude, this is terrible. He's like, Grant, they got to build the car. I said, such like cavemen. You know, that, it's going to take some time, right? Because if it takes time, it costs what? Time is money. And the truth is, it's not going to cost me money. It's going to cost them money because I'm going to lose interest in the purchase at some point and say, I don't need to do that. I'll just go buy a watch. Same money. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I lose interest. I don't need that product anyway. How many have done this before? Wanted something for a moment, took too long, you disengaged. Okay? You want to write this down. Disengagement is losing interest. I've lost interest. I'm no longer interested. Can a customer get disengaged? Can an employee get disengaged? Can a manager get disengaged? No. Help me out here. Can an employee get disengaged? Can you get disengaged? Sure, man. You just got disengaged. We only been here 12 minutes. These are the people I'm worried about. People that work for me, checking out at 6, don't put in the extra work, got to retell them everything. They're always patting me on the back, you're the greatest. Why are you never here to the latest then? If I'm the greatest, why you leave at 6? Oh, I got to check out, man. Okay? Because they are checked out. By the way, anybody that leaves at 6, left at 5. How many of you suffer from this syndrome? I can do it myself. I can do it better myself. Hey, you know what? Ain't nobody does it better than me. That's what I believe. I'm like, I'm going to do this. There's nobody. I was talking to Ray this morning. Ray says he's a micromanager. I said, ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with being a micromanager. But you got to get a team. Everybody agree? I could be a freak on one thing. I still got to have these other 185 people do it at 10 or 15% of what I would do it at. I still get more done like that. I got 185 staff in Miami at an average, probably a minimum of $70,000 base salary. What's that number? 70 grand times 185. It's got to be 12 million bucks. Is that right? I'm so good at math. By the way, math, you need to learn how to multiply. You'll see how close I am. 12,950,000. Nah. That's what it is. You guys got to learn how to multiply. You spent too much time adding and subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 2. What is that? It don't matter. It don't matter what it is. A penny saved is? It's a penny. It's a stupid penny. Okay, but a penny doubled every 30 days. A penny doubled every day for 30 days. A penny doubled every day for 30 days. At day 15, it's 84 bucks. At day 30, it's $5.4 million.